Number 1, which of the following numbers has the digit 3 in a place value position that is 1/10 the value of the digit 3 in this number? Number 2, how is the following number written in standard notation? Number 3, write the following number in standard form. 16 1,000,000 7 10,000s 800s 81 ones. And I'm going to write your place value for you. So you've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. All right, number 4. Betty has $3 bills, 2 quarters, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 6 pennies. Draw models of this amount of money below. What is the total amount? What is the total amount, and what digit is in the hundredths place?